Instructional review. Thrive Life Bakery Blueberry Muffin Mix. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. And today we're going to do an instructional review on the Thrive Life Bakery Blueberry Muffin Mix. So, let's open it up, take it out, and see what we're going to do. Now, I have a closer look video on this, and you can find it in my playlist if you're just coming across my instructional review. If you are a channel friend who's been here for a while, you know that I have a closer look playlist, and you can find it over there. Alright, so, blueberry and the mix. I just love showing off these blueberries, you guys. Look at that. That is so pretty. Such beautiful color. Yum. I can't wait. Alright. Made with simple ingredients and our secret blueberry perfecting formula. Every bite is one to remember. Thrive Life Blueberries. 100% blueberry, fresh picked flavor, non-GMO, and if you go to their website, they are non-GMO project verified. And then Nutrilock certified. So, I'm going to pull out all the ingredients we need and bring you guys back. So, blueberry muffin mix, 2 large eggs, a 1/3 cup vegetable oil, I'm going to use hemp seed oil, and 1 cup water. Alright, we mix water, oil, and eggs together in a bowl. So, water. One cup water. A 1/3 cup vegetable oil. You can use vegetable oil. I'm going to use hemp seed oil. And then 2 eggs. Oh, my eggs got put away. Alright guys, I'm coming. Alright, 2 eggs. Mix it together. And it says fold in muffin mix until well blended. Do not overmix. Okay, now it says lightly crush the freeze-dried blueberries and fold into the batter. Allow batter to sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Now, I don't want to completely crush them because my kids like more whole fruits to bite into, but we'll crush them a little bit. All right. Alright guys, and then we allow it to sit for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll put it in our muffin pans, and I'll bring you back when it's in our 12 muffin pans. Alright, we're going to put them in a 400 degree preheated oven for 13 to 15 minutes. And 12 of them. Look at that, so beautiful. Let's get these in the oven, and we'll bring you back when they're all done. Alright, here we go, you guys. They baked in the oven for 17 minutes, so just a little bit longer, and I think it had to do with the paper cups. And he's not even going to wait. Here we go. Now, I will tell you right now, in my opinion, don't use paper cups. Use shortening or lard and flour. What do you guys think? I can tell you I'm going to be buying these again. I really liked them. Alright guys, thanks for coming along on this instructional review, and he's grabbing more and taking off. We'll see you guys in the next one, and remember everyone, stay positive. Bye. Bye.